Good evening, everybody. Today's the 3rd. I, honest to goodness, wasn't going to go live. But then I saw I was right again. I was right yet again. From the call I left you all in this one. So I had to go live. Kev Bri. You guys wait and see. You guys wait and see. Those signals that are coming out, I'll be doing manual signals also. And I'm telling you right now, I'll be sending out my own personal signals in the signals, that signal service, even for the $150 a month one. And I'm telling you right now, I have a feeling a lot of you are going to be really happy. This is just incredible. Yeah. All right. So now I think we're ready. Everybody understand that I am not a financial advisor, never want to be, never pretended to be, don't want anything to do with it. Please type yes or 7s if you understand that. And if you wouldn't mind giving a few more thumbs up than 2 or whatever it is. All right. If you can say yeses or 7s, then I can pull that thing down. And I'll say good morning to everybody here in a second. So yeah. Yet again, thank you all for saying that. Yet again, this is where I left you all with. All 3 indices, 1-minute sell stops towards US 30, 15-minute blue line. Here's US 30. There's the blue line. Here's where I left you at. You could have gotten in twice, literally 257 pips. Who was here from this morning? Say 7s, please, if you were here from this morning when I wrote this down and called this out for y'all. It's so weird. I'm not sure how anyone can be hating at this point of their lives. Of course, we don't get too many haters anymore. It's pretty much a given. Turning on TikTok, so it'll be on in just a minute. TikTok is on. But yeah. Who was here from this morning when I said that? Just want to be clear. And then I wrote it out. And that I did everything humanly possible. Wonder if I can move that in closer now that we have that up and down. Let's see. Maybe I can move this one in a little bit. Good evening, everybody. Sorry, give me just a second here. Don't forget, a lot of you are running out of time. Your indicators have expired. If you need to renew them, you need to just write a nicely worded email to Bri. She'll get you renewed. Let's go a little closer. Let me see if that's any better. Trying to get TikTok situated. So yeah, you'd only made 250 pips plus them. I think that's better. Close enough for what we need. You guys can definitely read everything. Okay, we're good. All right, back to it. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. What's up, Sergio? What's up, D Nice? What's up, Steve? My damn voice. I swear to goodness, I feel fine, but my voice is flaring up. Good evening. Good evening, Joanne Soaz. I'm going through puberty. Good evening, D Nice. Good evening, Tim Wong. Good evening, R Hill. Good evening, Matt. Good evening, Gorov. What's up, Gorov? Good evening, Robel. Good evening, Techman. Good evening, Joe Dixon. Good evening, Annie Leland. Let me get it right. I can test it and get rich at the same time. I don't know what that means, but yes, you can. You just watch me get rich, Gorov. You know that. Good evening, Jay Parker. Good evening, Sydney. What's up, Sid? Dropped off. Oh, DoorDash. Good evening, Jeremy Lowe. Good evening, Tim Wong. Good evening, Techman and Joe Dixon and Brian Claus and Cliff and Robel. I was here, sir. 777 got in 3 times all profit. Nice, Techman. Busy, apologize for that system. No, that's fine, Lisa Norwood. I just want you guys to see that it wasn't going to go live tonight. Really wasn't going to go live tonight. And I saw that, damn, I'm right again. I swear. I was like, dang, got it right again. What's up, Johnny Bird? What's up, Jaraz and Leon Powell? All right. So I think that's everybody. Good evening to everybody. But yeah, literally wrote this out. Can this be any more specific? I hate when people tell me, well, I don't know when to get in, when to get out. Good, Cliff. Yeah. Send your email to Bri to renew. The theforexsafetytradesystem at gmail.com. Look, this is what I wrote out. This is what I exactly wrote out when I left you all back here. It went down to here. 1 minute sell stop towards the US 30-minute blue line. 1 minute sell stop. So let's go ahead and take a look at US 30 and see if there was any 1 minute sell stops from where I left you, which would have been right here. So we're looking for any 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops. Let's take a look and see. So let's see. Here's 1. Here's 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7. 7 sell stops. But wait, let's look at the 5 minutes. From here, 1, 2, fill in the gap. 3, broken back. 3, 5 minutes. You can enter it into 10 trades. 15-minute sell stops. Yeah, that's what the fuck I did. So let's take a look at this one. Here's one right here. If you just took the later 15-minute sell stop, you'd have made 154 pips. So am I clear that this was an exact trade on what I wanted for you guys, or what you could do? I'm not a financial advisor, this demo, but is it specific enough for you when I write it out this directly? Yes or no? Is this trade specific enough for you when I write it out directly? Yes or no? When I tell you 1 minute sell stops towards the US 30 15-minute blue line. Yes or no? Is it clear? For the love of God. Thank you, Techman. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, Terry Gross. Thank you, Guy, man, dude. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, D-Man. Yes, Johnny Bird. That trade alone would set up a good trader for the entire year. You're talking about, not only was it this one push down, 276, but you also had this 15-minute one, another 150. You can literally get 10 pips a day, which professional traders try to do, or you could have made 400 pips on this one trade and had over 40 days of trading done today. Nice, Johan. Congratulations. So that's that. Now, this particular trade that I called out wouldn't have been caught, would not have been caught by our new upcoming signal service. But I'll tell you which trade would have been caught. This one right here. This trade right here that I called the previous night and took and made money on, would have been called out. you'd have had the NAS SPX trade right here. The signal service would have called this trade and sent an email to your phone, to your email service, wherever that is, phone or computer, and told you to look out for this trade, told you to verify. We'll go into how. But yes, the signal service would have caught this trade right here for you today. You'd have gotten an email telling you to look at this trade for SPX and for NAS. It would have called this trade out for you, not for US 30. It's a little more advanced. It couldn't have done that, not for US 30, but it would have called out your NAS and your SPX. And of course, you would have took the SPX because it was going towards the blue line. That's the one you would have took today. So there you go. Yes, the upcoming signal service would have given you an exact trade today to take. And yes, it would have been the correct one to take. What's shaking, Bacon? What's up, Rayshawn? All right. So the signal service is upcoming. Right, 1-7. We also have, and thank God they can't see the numbers because everyone, even though I threaten them with their lies, still try to steal this. Sydney, they can't steal it now, can they? So watch. This is also upcoming. You guys are all getting a free upgrade. If you're in the sniper room or the scanner room, you will get this type of scanner, whether it looks like this or is on your trading view. You will get this type of scanner. Oh, we got to ask that. Hold on. Put this over here. For TV2. Okay. So listen. This upgrade, notice what it does. It's trading the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and then all the way through the daily. This right here is being done. And this is just going to be a huge game changer because we'll see overnight when this switches over to buys, you're going to see the 15-second, 30-second, and 1 minute, for instance, on NAS change first. And then you'll see these other ones change and you get into those and look for the buys. So by getting this 15-second, we're going to see the ship turning earlier. So overnight now you can fully expect some buy stops to come in. I'll go over that later. And then you'll see this trade because of this scanner. The scanner is $500 a month. If someone's silly enough to want this scanner by itself, it's $500 a month. Bri and I gave this to you for free. We've upgraded it now. This will be coming out for free. So if you're in the scanner rooms or in the sniper rooms, you're getting this for free. It's invaluable. It's the very first thing I check whenever I'm trading. Once you learn how to use it, you'll understand why. Okay? Evening, Tom. What's up, Henry Chastain? What's up, Henry? All right. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call out some signals now. And then we're going to get back into some different things. I'm going to train you guys on some stuff. What's up, Julius? And thank you all for being here too, by the way. Thank you all. Tell you what, what's up, Lock? Good evening, Lock. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to go get some water. All right, I'm back. What's up, Henry? Thanks for being on both places, sir. What's up, Esther? So happy you're here today, too. Thank you for being here, teacher. You're welcome, Jeremy Lowe. Thank you for being here. All right. So I'm going to teach you all how the scanner and how the signal service would pick this trade up for you. And then I'm going to go over a few things after that, if my voice holds up. US 30. US 30. Let's see. All right, US oil is going to be the first one I'm going over. We're going to go over all the usual ones. I'm probably going to go by pretty fast since my voice seems to be fading. What is that site, says Brandon. What site are you talking about? This one? You'll never fucking know. That's what site it is, Brandon. We had too many people stealing it when I showed them the number. This site is your H&H scanner is what this is. It's unbelievably amazing. But no, you don't get it for free, so don't even try. Fucking people in this world. Anywho, all right. So this is what you got. U.S. oil. Let's see how she did today. Hold on. Looks like she went up and touched the blue line. Let me see. 30 minutes. Yep, going up. Buy stop. All right, here we go. U.S. oil, U.K. oil. 1 minute sell stop towards the 1 minute blue line. U.S. UK oil. It's going to fall back down. Let me see. 15 minute, 30 minute. Here, this is what it's going to do. It's going to hook back down to the 30 minute. So 1 minute sell stop to the 30 minute yellow line. Then after the yellow line, it's going to hook and come back up and touch the blue line. Maybe. I'm not sure on that one. Can it go up there? I think it can. It's going to be close. At any rate, it's going to form a 4-hour daily sell stop back to the blue line. U.S. oil, UK oil. Let's see what Amazon did today. Which, by the way, I called out that trade correctly. Amazon. 15 minutes sell, 30 minutes sell. Okay. Amazon. Too late. It went down today as expected. The 1 minute sells all did perfect. 5 minute, too far away. 15 minute Amazon. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the blue line. Amazon to the 15 minute blue line. Also look for 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line. Amazon. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Amazon. And that's all I can do with Amazon. They did a split. It caused my indicators to fuck up, so I couldn't do it. XRP. XRP. Let me see something real quick. XRP. One minute buy stop towards the blue line. XRP. 5 minute sell stop. XRP. 30 minute sell stop. XRP. Looks like they did a cheating gathering move today, it looks like. It already hit its 1 hour, 4 hour blue line like I said it would. You can clearly see that. Hit the daily one also. XRP. So now it's turning into a daily buy stop, weekly sell stop to the blue line, monthly buy stop. XRP. Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the same. They always do the same. 1 minute Ethereum. Hold on. Bitcoin going there. Bitcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin. Okay. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop. Oh, they all did it? Ethereum dropped like that too? Look at those cheating bastards. Wow. The money movers are sorry ass shits. The sell stop. So 1 minute, the 15 minute sell hit, the 30 minute sell hit to the blue line, Ethereum, the 1 hour blue line hit. Did they really drop it this hard? Is that true? Is this an accurate, is this some kind of liquidity problem they had? Or is this actually what happened to Ethereum and XRP and Bitcoin today? Because this is bullshit right here. Did this really happen? Yes or no? Good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's bullshit. Oh, so it did happen. Okay. Well, fuck them. Guess who called out these sell stops this morning? Jack fucking Pines. Wow, that's ridiculous. Oh, my crypto's down by 10%, says Johnny Bri. So they did do that. Well, fine. Why are you down, Johnny? You should have did the sell stops. Hello? Why would you have lost on this one? I mean, I understand if you're holding it, but come on. These were gimmies. I'm trying to see before it fell what they looked like. Hold on. Just bought more. Yeah, but you should use the system to get in and out. If you'd have got in with the buy stop on the monthly, you got in at 26,000. Just saying. Hold on. Let me see what XRP looked like. Sell 15. So I could have swore I called. I'm going to go back and watch my own video. Yeah, I know I called these out. Now they fell a lot further than I thought they would, but they were sell stops nonetheless. Yeah, it's a sell stop. Sell stop before it hit. Sell stop, sell stop. Yeah, I don't know, but let me go back to Ethereum. Sorry, I got carried away. Yeah, it works with TradingView. I'll go over to TradingView here in a minute. Yeah, the system is on TradingView right here. Right there. There's a system on TradingView. Yeah, it works fantastic on TradingView. It works beautifully on TradingView, yes. That's good. We'll get to TradingView in just a second. What's up, Bite My Wood? Good evening. Good evening, High Tech. What's up, Larry Cooper? Good evening. Good evening, Brandon, by the way. 100 XRP, of course. I love XRP. I'm with you on that. All right. So Ethereum. Sorry, let's stay focused for 2 seconds. Ethereum, 1 minute buy stop. 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy. 15 minute sell. 30 minute. It's already hit down too low. It's got to hook back up here. It's got to come back up here. And then it's going to reload and do a 1 hour, 4 hour daily. It's going to form a 4 hour daily buy, weekly sell Ethereum, monthly buy Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute buy to the blue line. Bitcoin, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute to buy to the blue line, forming it's going to come up again, 30 minute, 1 hour. There you go. It's going to hook and come back up again over here. So it's going to come back up to the 1 hour Bitcoin yellow line right here. That's where it's going to. After that, it's a 4 hour buy, 4 hour daily buy, weekly sell Bitcoin, monthly buy Bitcoin. GBP, JPY. What system is this? It's the safety trade system. Hey, everybody, I haven't asked this in a month. I haven't asked this all year. How about that for a funny thing? Everybody on TikTok and everybody on YouTube, I've never asked this in a long time. Let's be reasonable. I want everyone to go over. This is my YouTube page. Everyone here. All right. I want everybody on my lives. Should anyone new that's watching this buy the safety trade system, I actually have 900 videos on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for over a year and a half. All right, let's take a look. Everybody, should they buy the system? Yes, no, fuck yes, hell yes, or no's. Go ahead. Watching and see what people say. Okay, so let's see what they got. Excellent evening. Your divine health is expressing itself. What's up, Wealth Creation Project? Hell yeah, buy it twice. It's so good, says Jay Parker. Hell yes. Keep going. Let's see what people say. I'll tell you the price afterwards. Buy the system. It works. Fuck yes, says Steve. Tracy Ann Davis says, thank you, Tracy. Thank you, Steve. Go ahead and just keep watching. Everyone tell you if anyone knew, watch. People say these are all strangers. These are all strangers. I don't know one of these people. Look at what they're all telling you. This is your chance to speak up. This is your chance to have my back. Please speak up now. I'm asking you. Thank you, Christopher. Thank you, Gorav. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Esther. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, Cliff. Thank you, Just bought it 60 minutes. Everyone welcome Curtis. That's a great answer, Curtis. Everyone welcome Curtis Conrad to the system, please, when you're done saying yes or no. Hell yes, we were renewing in March. Dennis says yes. Okay. So everyone welcome Curtis, please. Thank you for joining, Curtis. Hopefully you got your NDA already. How much is the system? Let me see if I can find it. There we go. As 10 years, this is by far the best I found. Uh, I agree with that, Ray Sean. I've been at it almost 10 years myself. Welcome, Curtis. Welcome to and you're off. Best decision of your life. I agree with that, Ron. Welcome to the light side. We have cookies. All right. Thank you all very much for speaking up. I haven't asked you all to speak up in forever. Thank you for doing that. All right. System Spy 75 for the year. You can also sign up for alerts. I do give a lot of free trades out that way. This is for, price right here is 575. If you want, thesafetytrade.com is where you go to it. Thank you all for speaking up again. If you want this blue thing, which eventually you will, you're going to want this because it's going to be sniper. It's called. It's 150, and it comes with this particular skin, which we'll get into. So yeah, that's what you pay for it. Yeah, you're only allowed to do the like button one time, Matt. Thank you, R Hill. That's true. I am on a lot. I try. Yeah, the automation one in Vegas is that I'm gonna start a signal service for the first time in my life, and if I start something, it's gonna be fucking fantastic. The automation is you're gonna get an automated email stating when a trade will be good to look for a trade. This is gonna be starting out an email. Everybody who has the system on 1/7, we are sending out an email this Sunday, the 7th. We're also gonna post it in the Discord. So that's the automation. For a robot, no, that is incorrect. We're not gonna have a robot. I know what he means, but no. I'm still trying desperately to get you all to learn how to fish, so you don't need me anymore. Seems to be almost impossible. Thank you, Christopher Falls. That's very good advice. Thank you, Dean. I the damn system. All right, so I hope Ivy Mex has any more questions you may have, or bite my wood, or hi. There's one other one. Who was it? Brandon. You guys tell everyone to speak up for me, all the members that are live tonight, which isn't that many. We got 50. We usually average about 100, 140, something like that. Nice, Jay Parker. That's what I want to hear. I want everyone to learn how to trade for themselves. The only reason why I'm willing to do a signal service is so you guys can make some money while you're learning system. Oh, that buy stop to the blue line on NAS is already paid. Let's see. I got to do gold. EUR USD. Damn, you guys get me sidetracked. I have ADD. Standing over $2,700 for Jay Parker today. Standing O. Congratulations, sir. 1 minute. USD. Buy stop to the blue line. EUR USD 5 minute. Buy stop 15 minute. Sell stop 15 minute 1 hour. Yeah. There's a current buy stop, but when it flips around later today, which it will probably before 9:30, go ahead and do any 1 minute. It's going to come up to this is what it's going to do. You want me to draw it out for you guys? This is what it's going to do. It's going to come down, boom, hook, came up towards it. It's going to hook, come up, and come down. Is that clear enough for what to do? You want me to draw it out any clearer? Look at it. This right here. So playing eventually playing 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stops to the 15 minute blue line, 30 minute blue line, 1 hour blue line. That's what it's going to do. I hope that's specific enough for you. That's exactly what it's going to do. You notice when I make these call outs, even with a shitty voice, it never misses. Well, I shouldn't say that. The system is flawless. My interpretation of the system is iffy. 4-hour daily stop ERUSD. Weekly, monthly sell stop ERUSD down to the blue line. Gold. Gold, and then that's nice. 1 minute buy stop. Gold. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Gold. It's gonna form a 15 minute. Nope, it's 30 minutes. Gonna 30 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's gonna form a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. This is what gold's gonna do. This is on the 1 hour. It's gonna hook, come down, hook right here, hook, and come down to there. That's exactly what gold's gonna do. Short term, it's gonna rise up. It's gonna come over here to that yellow line. It's gonna hook and come back down again. That's gold. Now, gold after that is a 4-hour daily buy, and that's gold. SPX, I just told you at the start of this that this was going to come back up, and you can already see NAS already did come up to its 15-second. I can't show you the next one, but you can clearly see I told you to start to change. Everyone should be looking for NAS, SPX, US 30, 15-second, and 1 minute buy stops. Start looking for. Nothing's going to happen yet, but before then, tomorrow morning, you'll see these sort of green, 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 probably green, and then by this time this evening, you'll see them all flip to red again. You'll see red, red. You'll see US 30 turn to red. You'll see the 30-minute turn to red, and then eventually you'll see them. Remember, I told you this about I don't even 3-4 weeks ago. This was all going to happen to the red. It just takes a very, 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 very long time. And when you learn the scanner, it's so beautiful. It turns red, 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 and then it starts to turn green, 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 green. And then it will turn red, 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 red all the way to the 1 hour, and then it will turn green, 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 green. And then it will turn red, 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 red all the way to the 4 hour, and then it will turn green, green, green. Now once it gets to the 4 hour, that's when it starts to split up, but that's what it's gonna do. So, remember, this isn't rocket scientist stuff. Remember, this is easy. People say, "Oh, it's so hard to trade." Yep, if you don't have the system, you're trying to trade blind, it's fucking near impossible. You'll lose 99% of the time, and let me lose 75 without the system. It's fact. Support and resistance fails, average retail trader 99% of the time. So does Fibonacci, Fibonacci retracement, all that bullshit doesn't work. And he does equity trading. It's really awesome. Yep, Steve, thank you. All right. Minute 5 minute, yeah. All right. So where were we? Yes, SPX. Nice. It's beautiful. All right. I'm going to go over the rules for the signals. The signal service is coming out. Let me pop this over here a little bit. Down here. Just so we're clear. I've been on TikTok 2 years. I've been on YouTube a year and a half almost. I've never offered a signal service because I always wanted you guys to learn how to fish themselves. I still do. I figured you guys should be able to make some money while you're learning. So those are on for sale. 7. In order to get the signal service, you have to be able to verify the trades, which means you have to pay for the system and the sniper. You have to verify each trade with the sniper. Okay. So let's go over here. And I'm going to show you how fucking cool the new rules are. So let's take this out of here, get rid of this shit, come over to here. Okay. This is the type form, the rules you'll get after you buy the signals on Sunday. Has biceps pain. Yes, it is. Jay Parker. So imagine a system, step-by-step rules on how to make money. Just imagine that. freaking amazing. All right. Not a fan of how small this is. Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. Okay, let me go over to here. All right. Because you never know when the safety trade signal will see a trade, you're going to get an email. You have to keep your email close to yourself. How often will you get these emails? It can be anywhere from 0 to 20, but I'm having a manual override put in. So that means that you can actually, I'll be using my own personal signals, signal service will actually get more, way more uh, signals than 0, I guarantee that. I'll get up to 20 different times, and then that's just the low end for one symbol. So that actually be up to 60 different signals for you in a month, and that's only gonna grow, right? So wait, wait, wait. There we go. Once you receive the signal from the safety trade signal alert, please go to your charts and verify that what the AI saw is correct. This is imperative that you must do this. Do not take a trade you can verify. This is exactly how you verify the signal. Teach you exactly. I gave you an example, 15-minute, 1 hour, but literally you'll be getting signals for 1 minute, 5 minutes. You'll be getting signals for 15 seconds. Eventually, you'll be getting signals for gold, Bitcoin, oil, all of them. One Vegas, can you show us an actual use? Absolutely. I just did earlier. I don't know where you look. Let me pull this back over here. This trade right here. I said this. You must have been late to the party. This 15-minute sell stop by SPX and NAS was called out by the signal service this morning. And let me be clear. Let me be 100% clear. This trade right here was called out. It's called out right here at this 10 o'clock time. This signal service has been back tested, computerized back tested, right? Since October with a 100% win rate. Let that sink in for a minute. And then I went back manually to January the 5th of last year on TradingView and tested it myself manually with a 100% win rate. And you follow the rules. Make sure you follow the rules. So when these signals go out, if they're only winning 60% of the time, which an average professional trader only wins 63.5, so 64% of the time. If that's all these things, I'm fucking shutting them down. Well, I'll tweak them, but if I can't tweak them correctly, I'm shutting it down. So I'm gonna do this 3 months. If I'm at a 70% win rate, I'm shutting it down. If I'm at an 80% win rate, I'll keep it open but tweak it. If I'm at a 90% win rate, well, that's good. And if we had a 95% win rate with the signals, obviously, I'm keeping 95% open. In the money since the buy stop you called. Thank you, Rebel. Congratulations, Rebel. Yeah, how do you make the trade? That's crazy, says midnight. Yeah, I know, right? And I don't know if you've been around midnight. One of the things you'll know is I don't fucking bullshit around. I'm 100% authentic. If I do not think these signals are good, I will not take your money. I'll fucking stop them. Do I know to be good? Anything. Don't get us started on AI. It's sending out emails today. That's being taken care of by no worries. It's very, very, very extremely good. It'll be functional. So how do you take an actual trade? That's what the fuck I was just explaining. So how do you take an actual trade? Okay, step one. This is exactly how you verify your terms. Take a trade. Let's just use stop for an example. You go to the 1 hour chart, do the verification, this the retracement. Over here, you look for the logo. It tells you exactly what this trading video and how to do it. Then you go over to I'll get you in detail when I'm done with this. So buy, stop, then you go over to the 15-minute if the 1 minute was correct, and then your do's and don'ts. The sniper add-on is the greatest, most accurate indicator ever made in the history of the world. I believe that in my core. There's some information about it here if you click there. You only take the best out of the 3 is what you're told to do, and then the H&H scanner, what to do, trade specific, trading rules for the beginners. Yeah, so we walk you through exactly how I trade every day. I get up, thank God, I believe in my core that helps me. I do all my physical stuff, I believe in my core that makes me trade. By the way, I started this new supplement thing. I started to detox me too fast, that's why I have my voice lost. Isn't that fucking funny? Oh my God, it feels so much better in all my therapy. Right. I look at the scanner, that's this thing right here, then the rules, I print them, that's it, and then of course, there's a disclaimer. So how do we find this exact bullet or let's go ahead and go over to take a look. Here's TradingView. Let's take a look at all right. Look at 1-hour charts, then we'll combine them. So the first thing the rules say to do in this particular case is to look at the trade on your 1-hour charts. And what we're looking for, see, first thing and the most important thing is nothing is more important than this. Is the blue line flat or not on 2 out of the 3? So I'm looking right here. The blue line on the sniper, $150 a month extra is flat compared to what? On the bottom. Compared to the pink line being high, blue line is flat. So that's 1. Is SPX like that? That's 2. So the trade's good to go to 15. Is US 30 like that? That's 3. Yes, it is. So let's go back and look at NAS, and now we're gonna go to the 15-minute chart. I'm telling you exactly what what the signal service is looking for. It's gonna make these trades. It's also gonna be trades like this, gold, oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then it's gonna be trades eventually on the 15-second gold. It's gonna be calling out these exact same trades on the 1 month USD or case of Bitcoin, when the monthly funny. Watch. Now, what are we looking for here on our 15-minute? Number 2, well, let's go back, I'm sorry. I didn't wanna skip these steps. Number 1, stop for a second. Is the blue line flat? It was. Number 2, and this is gonna get a few people of you guys confused. Did a pink line arch up against it? And yes, it see blue flat. Then we go over to the 15-minute. That's on all indices, that's that way. Then we go over to, uh, the other indices now. Look to see, did this blue line arch up? So, let's get to those later. Did it arch up? This is so easy. This is way more complicated than it. Yes, it did on NAS. Yes, it did on SPX. And no, it didn't, but we still have 2 out of our 3. So now, number 4, is there a buy stop or a sell stop on the 15-minute? You can clearly see this is a fill in the gap. We can go over to SPX and see nope on that 15-minute, and we can go to US 30, and yes, there is right here, right there. Okay, so with that in mind, we just verify 15-minute, 30-minute, and all we're doing is finding our logo. So let's go back to the one and show you what I'm. Our logo is very cool, and the logo looks exactly. Da, 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 da. This is the logo right on the back of the bull right here. We have a green up arrow logo, that's all we trade. We have a red down logo, that's all we trade. So let's show you how to find that logo following those rules. So, right here to the 15-minute. Okay, here we go. This will be one right here for you guys just to see. The logo looks exactly like this, and this will be a red down one. So let me grab a red over here. Price starts high above our lines. The red arrow tells us to. There is a fill in the gap. There's an actual sell stop here down to the blue one. That's what it does. It's a double hump arrow, and it's not as pretty the other ones, but it is accurate. That is exactly what it looks like. So anytime it retraces, let's go back. Anytime this retraces, how fucking cool this is. Anytime this retraces, starts up, comes back, retraced here. Wherever this spot is a 15 cell. So the 1 hour retracement here, that is now a 15-minute right here. Get rid of these things for now. And technically, it kind of should be the other way around. We'll get that. Da, 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 da. And there it is. So when as this US 30, this is US 30. Yeah. Okay. This retracement that you see, let me get exact right there. It formed our cell stop right. You can clearly see it did. There it is. And there it is. There's your M. See how it draws out your logo for you. Papa went down, Papa went down to the blue line. That's how it works. To do the same thing as, let's take a look. So here we go. Let me read. New draw. This is NAS again, 1 hour. Let's take a look. Price started high, came over, retraced. There'll be one here. Came back up here. There'll be one here. So let's see. Two spots on NAS. Well, I do know it, but for your guys' purposes, let's see over here. Sorry. Oop, they're going to make me reset. Okay. So right here, going to shrink this one in. You normally have these set on the opposites. So this right here. So right here, where the 1 hour came down, came over, retraced right here. You can see our sniper was low, pink was high. You can see there was a sell. You can see that it was here. You can clearly see it away from here. Long story short, sell stop was right here on NAS, and then it did it again just this morning right here. Let me pull this for you to see. And this is the NAS one. Everything lined up. Here's your pullback towards not close enough, but good enough for us. Blue line was low, pink was high. Blue line arched up against it with the watch what I'm saying. I'll show you exactly what it all is one. Let me show you exactly what I'm saying so you guys can see this. It's so freaking cool. Inside of here is everything. Inside of this rectangle is everything. You're welcome, Jay Parker. God bless. Have a good night. Cracker's flashing money signs means James Mason. Look. One is the first thing we check that one out. Flat. 2. Yep. 3. Yep. 4. So all one. Our logo is here. Well, what about down here? Literally, this blue line on the 15 is drawing out our logo. Started above, came over, retraced in our thing. Down she closed. So let's take a look at the SPX. I'm showing you how they're all the same. All of them are the same. I mean, can it get any easier than the exact same thing? All right, there we go. Here's the traces. I didn't even have to look. There's the drawing from NAS, and there's the drawing from SPX. I can do that. Look, same thing. Starts above, told to come down once. There it is. Second time it did it right here. Blue line flat on the hour, arch up, 3 come up, 4. There's a sell spot twice right here. Like that. The best one out of these two, as far as I was concerned, was the 15-minute. Why? Because it was still shooting towards the blue line down here. And that's why I called it. Okay. I hope I didn't lose a lot of you on that. It's very, very easy. Now, to get good at it, it does take time, but it is very, very easy to do. I promise you that. You have to get good at it, though, so. All right. Does anybody new or anybody old or anybody here have any questions over that, or does that kind of make sense? Does anybody have questions over that? Makes sense to sit the TV. Awesome. Thanks, says Guy Mandu. Good. No questions. Thanks for that. You're welcome, Larry. All right, guys. Well, I made some call outs. I taught you a few things. I'm telling you right now, if you're having troubles with your making money, let me just be fucking specific. If you're having trouble making money, then just buy the $100 a month signals, because at least then you'll know what the proper trade should be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say 9 out of 10 times, if not 10 out of 10 times. You are gonna limit that there's 3 tiers. Oh, I fucking forgot about that. We're limiting, the unlimited one to if I launch that, I'm gonna limit that to 50 people only, and we have, almost 4 people scanners. I'm only gonna take 50 people and do 350 a month because I don't want you relying on my signals. I want you learning the signals that I call and making money from them while you learn it. That's what I wanna do. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Unless anybody has any questions on this live tonight. Do you give me a one that I sucked ass or a that I kicked ass? And if it's a one, please leave a reason why. Otherwise, I'll disregard the comment. A one or a 10. Everyone out there, this is your chance to speak up. And we chance I like that answer. D-Man Guyman says 10. My roast sip to TV, Henry. Okay, just making sure I'm doing my job properly. Hopefully, my sleeping. I swear to goodness. You're welcome. All right, thank you all for being here. Appreciate it very, very much. I'm gonna go and sign off the TikTok. If anyone on YouTube has anything, please speak up. There. Oh, yeah, I feel good, Steve. Thank you. It's just my voice. I actually feel fucking great, but oh well. Voice is giving out on me. All right. Night, guys. God bless.